Good day. This is Jake with Lucky Crow Custom Moto. Figured while I was here I'd go ahead and upload a video on my trick to installing both rocker arms in a CT90 top end. This will apply for quite a few engines, you know, all of these, the same style of engines for these little single cylinder Hondas. If you're here, that means you've gotten frustrated already trying to figure out how to do this. Believe it or not, the easiest way to do this is actually to install the second one upside down. Slide it in the end here, line it up, and then push it through. And when you get it through, there's just enough room for you to flip it over and then slide it in place and install your other shaft. Don't forget assembly lube. Have a good day.